When flexible displays were first introduced, many companies were quick to adopt it to the smartphone. It honestly felt more of a way of showcasing the tech rather than any practical function. That is why many phones are returning back to flat displays, like S23 Ultra has a very thin curve, and Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro is supposed to have a fully flat display. For some reason, OnePlus is expected to keep the same design of the OnePlus 10 and 11, that will be a curved screen. This is reporters come from Digital Stat Station, who said the phone will feature a quad HD plus resolution with curved display. The report goes to add that the display is made by Samsung and will have 120Hz refresh rate. Other rumored specs of this phone is the unannounced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. It is quite interesting because Qualcomm flagship chipsets are used in the following year's phone. So now we have started to already hear rumors that Xiaomi 14 series, the Vivo X100 Pro Plus and the OnePlus series this year might come out with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, as Qualcomm will launch this chipset in October 26, which is a month earlier than the normal November time. And the OnePlus 12 will not be officially announced till maybe December this year.